The GMC Canyon, a midsize truck that debuted on the market in 2004, borrows some styling cues from its larger sibling, the GMC Sierra. The 2019 GMC Canyon is well known for its excellent road manners, but this truck is also well known for its dependability. According to NHTSA reports, there have been 0 recalls and only 4 complaints filed for the 2019 model year. Despite the fact that the Canyon is a fantastic truck, its high price tag allows rivals like the Chevrolet Colorado, Toyota Tacoma, and Nissan Frontier to outperform it. Let's take a closer look on the 2019 Colorado issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine problems. The owners claimed that during a cold start, there was a loud clunk from the engine bay, and the vibrations would permeate the entire cabin. Sofware. After a software update, users claimed that the infotainment system displayed a message asking for the password. This was associated with the associated service, but despite selecting the Do Not Remind Again option, the message kept popping up. Fuel system. The entire truck was reported to have been destroyed when the car reportedly caught fire on its own while it was parked on the street. The cause was ruled to be unknown by the fire department. There appeared to be no problems with the engine compartment, but the bed and cabin were both completely destroyed. Transmission. When driving uphill, the gears slip, and occasionally the transmission hesitates and shifts harshly. As a result, the car stalls when it accelerates at a stop sign after a complete stop. The transmission fluid was changed by the dealers, but the issue was not fully resolved because the low gear shifts still feel jerky. Phone pairing. After pairing the phone to the truck, the contacts aren't displayed on the infotainment, which makes using the call feature difficult because you can't tell who is calling until you pick up the phone. GPS. Users have reported that the navigation system frequently failed to provide directions while they were driving. This led many drivers in the wrong directions. Should you buy it? According to the Repair Pal website, the GMC Canyon reliability rating is 4.0 out of 5.0, which ranks it 2nd out of 7 for midsize trucks. The average annual repair cost is $548, which means it is lower than average ownership costs. The severity of repairs is average and the frequency of those issues is low, so major repairs are uncommon for the Canyon. In comparison to its competitors, the 2019 GMC Canyon is a more upscale truck, and the fact that it hasn't yet been recalled shows that GMC was successful in producing a very reliable product. For reliability and cabin comfort, we would advise purchasing the GMC Canyon, but a close relative of this truck, the 2019 Chevrolet Colorado, is less expensive and provides the same mechanical setup. If you choose the 2019 GMC Canyon, we can guarantee that it won't be a disappointing purchase.